Okay,
have it on,
I'm
sir?
sorry. I'm sorry. What sort of errors? Yeah, it's booting up now. It's just
Sir,
about there.
see, some of the software programs which are there inside your computer system right now, they have been stopped working, sir. And if you don't do anything about it, sooner or later your computer is gonna get crashed. So.
Oh, okay. It's been running. It's been running well.
Yeah, from the outside, sir, your computer is running as it should be, but from the inside, everything has been damaged.
Oh, okay.
Right? You'll see it for yourself, sir, what kind of problems you are having.
Okay, I'm booted up now.
Regarding your computer.
I'm at my desktop.
All right, so you're on the home screen of your computer, right, sir?
Well, yeah,
the home screen.
the desktop. Did you want me to open a web browser? Or?
Yeah, with all the icons.
There are some icons.
So, all right, so, sir, do you have your keyboard in front of you, sir?
I do.
So come down to your keyboard first. At the bottom line of your keyboard, you will see a button which has got 4 squares on it.
I see it.
You need to hold down that 4 squares button, sir, and at the same time click the letter R as Robert.
Okay. Okay, a box that says Run came up.
All right, so on the Run Windows box, sir, can you see the open space?
Yes.
So on that, anything is written there, sir?
Pardon me?
Is it clear? The box is empty?
No, it's got something in it.
Sir, you need to give a backspace, okay? Erase whatever it is written there, sir.
Okay. It's clear.
And you need to type for msconfig.
Okay. MS.
I'm going to spell it out for you. Yeah, it's M as Mary, S as in Sam, C as in Charlie, O as in Oscar, N as in Nancy, F as in Frank, I as in Indiana, G as in George.
Okay.
msconfig. Okay?
Okay.
And, sir, that's the short form of Microsoft configuration. And if you are done, then you can give a click on OK now.
Okay. All right. It opened the system configuration utility, and it's got some tabs.
Yeah. On the tabs line, sir, can you see general boot, sir, general system boot services?
Yeah. I see general, and there's a boot INI, and then there's a services.
Yeah, you need to give a click on services, sir.
Okay. All right, so it's got a list of stuff.
Sir, yeah. So, sir, if you're inside services, you will see those are all the software programs which I was talking about. Every program has been manufactured by Microsoft. And if you see on the status line, some of them are still running and some of them have been stopped, right?
Well, there is one here that was made by Google, it says. But the others are from Microsoft, and then
most of them are with Microsoft, right?
Yes, all but one.
And as you can see on the status line, sir, some of them are working and some of them are not running, right?
Well,
some of them are stopped.
Well, no, they're all listed as running.
They are what, sir?
They all have a status of running.
They all have a status of running?
Yes.
Give a click on status, sir. Give a click on status.
Okay.
You see the list of running programs, right?
Yes.
And give a click again.
Okay.
On status.
Okay.
So what do you see now, sir?
Really the same thing. I've scrolled up and down, and it really is true that every item says running.
All right. Okay. So, sir, everything is working fine.
That's good news then.
Now, just leave that configuration box, sir. Close it.
Oh, I'm sorry. Do you want me to leave it or close it? Oh, I see what you mean by leave. Leave the. Okay,
yeah,
I got it. I closed it.
Close the system configuration box.
Okay, I have.
And do the Windows and the letter R again.
Okay.
And sir, now you need to type in W as in 3 W's. Okay.
Okay.
3 W's at first. Give a dot.
Okay.
It's Team Viewer, sir.
Okay.
Team like a baseball team, as a soccer team.
Okay.
Team, and it's Viewer. V as in Victor, I as in Indiana, E as in Edward, W as in water, E as in Edward, R as in Robert.
Okay.
.com.
Okay. Got it.
It's www.teamviewer.com, right?
Yes. I can understand you perfectly.
I'm sorry?
I can understand you perfectly. I don't think we have a problem with that. So.
I'm sorry?
What next then? I've got www.teamviewer.com in the run box.
Yeah, you need to give a click on OK.
Okay, I can do that.
Right, so what do you see, sir, on your screen?
I see a website, the teamviewer.com website. It's got it says download free for private use. Join remote control session. Join online meeting. Download support by about us.
What you gotta do is that, so you got to place your arrow on download.
Okay.
There's a picture at the right side, not a picture, a video of a man sitting at a computer.
Okay, I see that.
Above that, there's download. Place your arrow on download, sir. Don't click OK.
Okay, it drops down like 6 choices.
Yeah, you got to give a click on the 4th option, sir.
Previous
version 1.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So, on the previous version page, sir, at the right side, you will see there's a list of versions starting from version 10 to version 7, right?
That's correct. I see that.
You need to give a click on version 7, sir.
Okay.
All right, so you're on the version 7 page now?
Yeah, it's trying to do something.
All right, on the version 7 page, sir.
It's apparently not there yet. Hang on. Oh, okay, I see it. Okay, I'm sorry. It just changed to the left side. I thought it was going to go someplace else. Okay, yeah. So I see a version 7.x, and then it's organized by like Windows and Mac OS and stuff.
All right. Below, under Windows, what's the first option that is given there, sir?
Team Viewer.
What's the second one?
Team Viewer Quick Support.
So please simply give a click on Team Viewer Quick Support.
Okay. All right. So it's asking me to save the file. That's my only choice. So I assume you want me to do that.
That's your only choice?
Well, I can cancel. I can save it or cancel. So I saved it. Do you want me to run it?
Yeah, you save. Yeah, sir. You are going to hit on run now.
Okay. So I'm running it. And
all right. Once you
it's brought up a little panel that says Team Viewer Quick Support with your ID and password in it.
All right. So, sir, really go with the ID first.
Okay. It's 866-432-721.
And have you got some kind of password with you, sir?
7666.
All right. So now I'm gonna connect you to the Microsoft headquarters, and your call will be transferred to one of my senior technicians, sir, and they will assist you, okay?
Oh, you're calling from Microsoft?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And so, sir, for how long you've been using this computer?
It's not that new of a thing. Oh, there it says Ben. That's weird the way that's
yeah, sir.
spelled.
Yeah, we are the Microsoft technicians. We are the certified technicians from Microsoft, sir, and you can see my introduction on the right corner of your screen.
So are you Ben?
Now,
is that somebody else?
Yeah, I'm Ben, sir.
Okay.
That's me. And now you will be connected to my senior engineer. His name is John Stewart, and he'll be assisting you more, okay, regarding your computer, sir.
All right, thank you.
All right, hold the line, sir. Hello.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, sir. This is John Stewart. Your call was transferred to me. How are you doing today?
I guess I'm good. I got the message saying that there are problems with my computer, but I think Ben said that I don't.
Okay, sir. Like the performance of your CPU has went down, and also we received a warning message from the manufacturer ID of your computer. It says that there is a hacker files running inside your computer, okay? And minor services that you have inside your computer might have stopped working. And you are speaking with John Stewart. I'm one of the senior technicians, and you have words with a Ben. You can see Ben, Microsoft technician.
I see that.
So we have the manufacturer ID that is from where we have received the message alert. I'm going to show you the manufacturer ID of your computer.
Okay.
As the computer was registered under the name check, and you'll see the manufacturer ID of the computer. It is inside your... Hello?
I'm here.
Just give me time. Yes, Ben, and this call is about your computer. All right, sir? And the reason why I'm calling you is because your computer is generating security warnings and application errors.
There's a lot of background noise, huh?
Yes, sir. There are so many colleagues behind me. They are dealing with a Microsoft computer, okay?
I see.
I'm not the only one working on this computer, right?
Yes.
Okay. You'll see the manufacturer ID of the computer. The user of this computer is Jack. See documents and setting. It is Jack. And you can see the manufacturer ID, which is called CLSID, Computer License Security ID. It is directly registered under your name. You can see CLSID, right? C stands for Computer, L stands for License Security ID. This is the registration ID of your computer, a manufacturer ID that is generating the errors warning infected files to our server. And when we try to we check out this number, it was registered under your phone number. That is why we are calling you. So, like, sir, the performance of your CPU has went down. That is why the hackers are trying to hack your computer. There is a hacker file. You'll see the performance of your CPU. It is not running at all, and the activity is very less, right? It's running very slow. This is how your CPU should be running in this level. And here, there should be a percentage rising at least 1, 2, 3, 4%. But you can see the performance of your CPU statistic. So your computer needs to be fix because there is some problem inside the computer. That this way these things are happening. And also we have received a lot of errors and warning messages alert from the computer. Let us check it out. These are the viruses, the number of times that the virus tried to attack your computer.
Okay.
Here under the application system.
Yeah. Good evening. Yeah, good evening, ma'am. My name is Ben, and this call is about your computer. Okay?
So these are the unwanted information that get inside the computer. The events is 18 events, right? So these are the unwanted information that get inside the computer. You can see here on the system. They are occupying the space and they are destroying the internal software of your computer. There are no items to show in this view. This good sign of your computer. You can see on the security system application there is 10 events. So this get inside the computer and following that, and they are bringing a harmful effect to your computer. That is the reason we are receiving the error message from the manufacturer ID of the computer.
Okay. Oh, there we go. It was at 3%.
You can see, sir, the username of the computer is checked, and you'll see all the application. The TeamViewer that we have downloaded right now for you is registered directly under your name, because the TeamViewer get inside your computer through your authorization. That is why it is under the username tag, and this thing haven't. You have given this authorization to this application. That's why they are registered under your name. And you can see here some of the applications that are not registered under your name. Some of network service system, and you can also see one file. This is csrss.exe. It is not registered under your system, and under your name it is registered under your system, because this application get inside the computer through internet. That is why they are not registered under your name, and this can be a very dangerous file. It cannot be deleted. That is why we have received the message. You can see, and the process. This is a critical system process. Text messenger cannot end this process. So let us check it out. What is csrss.exe? Okay, csrss.exe is a hacker file. Let us check it out on the Google. www.google.com. The Google has came up, and the file name, the name of the file that we are showing you is csrss.exe. csrss.exe. So let me type it csrss.exe here on the Google. This is the condition of your computer. Okay, here come csrss.exe. You'll see the process information of csrss.exe here on the first row. csrss.exe. The process information. The process name is a Trojan. The process of the csrss.exe is not as a Trojan. And you can see here Windows errors related to csrss.exe. csrss.exe is a process which is registered as a Trojan. This Trojan allows attacker to access your computer from remote locations, steal passwords, internet banking, and personal data. This process is a security risk and should be removed from your system. We strongly recommend that you run a free registry scan. And you can see here on the averse as such. From here you can see how it can crash your computer. As such, csrss.exe provides the critical functions of the Windows operating system, and its termination can result in the blue screen or the is being displayed. So it can crash down your computer, because this is a hacker file. And you can see the recommendation here. Disable and remove csrss.exe immediately. This process is mostly like a virus or a Trojan. Very clear that this is a Trojan file, a hacker file that gets into your computer through internet. And this file will allow the hacker to hack your computer, steal your password, internet banking, and personal data. Besides that, if the hacker continues to use this computer for all kind of illegal purposes, like doing all kind of criminal things over the internet, then you will be the one to be caught, because you will see the CLS ID, Computer License Security ID,
it is registered under your name tag and your phone number. So this is a critical situation for your computer, and the csrss.exe, which is inside the computer, cannot be deleted manually. So your computer recorded software updation of software should be there to remove the hacker file. This is not a virus. The viruses can be deleted from your computer with any of the software like AVG or like Norton or MediCafe. But this is not a viruses. This is a file that hacker try to hack your computer, and they have sent the hacker file to your computer so that they can hack your computer.
So any computer. Hang on just a second, man. You're putting me to sleep here. So any computer that's got that CRSS on it, it's been corrupted.
Yeah, the file, the hackers send the files to the computer. They have files to the computer, and that file allowed the hacker to hack the computer. And once they hack your computer, the computer will be under their control. They are going to do whatever they want with your computer.
I'm sorry, I'm not sure you answered my question there. Did you hear my question?
Yes, sir. If there is a csrss.exe, the computer is no more protected. That means the hackers try to hack your computer.
Okay, so that file only comes from hackers.
Yeah, that file only comes from the hackers because it is clearly mentioned that csrss.exe is a hacker file.
I don't want you to install ABG on my computer.
You don't want to install? All right, not an issue. We do this.
I've got malware bytes on there, and it does a good job. I do regular scans.
Okay, don't worry. We do this.
You know,
it will be deleted.
Why don't you, if you're gonna install something on my computer, why don't you ask me instead of just doing it? If you are not interested, we are not going to give you the average. Okay? The choice is yours because this is your computer. We are not going to do anything against your will. So, sir, but to know my will, you're going to have to ask me before you do it. Okay?
But I thought I will be scanning your computer, right? Because AVG is antivirus. It's not harmful effect.
No, I know what AVG is. It's really aggressive about begging for an upgrade, and that's why I don't like it. And it's not that good of a scanner from what I've seen. I got a virus scanner in the past, or I got a virus when I had that scanner installed. So I'm kind of unimpressed with it. And the scanner that found the virus and got rid of it for me was Malware Bytes. That's why I like theirs.
Yes, sir. This malware, select Norton, AVG, they are the antivirus. They can delete the viruses, scan your computer, but they can never delete the hacker's file from your computer.
I see.
And here we have the problem of the hacker file. So your computer needs to be scanned, like every time you go to the local technician, they are going to charge you $70 just for fixing your computer one time. Apart from that, they are going to charge you for the software that they are going to give you. Since we are a certified engineer from the Microsoft, there will be only one-time registration charge to delete the hacker's file from your computer, okay?
One payment of how much?
You can get 1 year thousand, removable, unlimited, tech support. And the service is renew. It is renew. After 1 year, you can renew the service. And beside that, if you want to go, you can go for 3 years. 1,000. Unlimited. Tech support. The service is lifetime. Lifetime for this computer.
Who's lifetime?
Lifetime is as long as you use this computer, you are going to get the technical support. Plus transferable means that in case if you buy a new computer, before 3 years, you can transfer the service to that new computer, okay?
All right.
So there is only one-time registration charge, sir, you have to come up with. For the one-time, the Trojan will be removed today. It will take 45 minutes to 1 hour today to scan all the application of the computer to remove the hacker file. After we work on your computer, after 45 minutes to 1 hour today, you will receive the second call once again. The senior most engineer will give you a call. They will let you know the current status of your computer. Then you can go ahead and use your computer for internet. And for one-time registration charge, it is $120. That means by $120, you are getting the service unlimited technical support for 1 year. And if you want to go directly for the lifetime, the charges is $220.
I guess
lifetime is as long as you use this computer.
So if it's lifetime, why do you have 3? What's the 3 years then about the lifetime?
Okay, lifetime is as long as you use this computer. You are going to get the unlimited technical support. And here it is mentioned 3 years. 3 years means that if you buy the new computer before 3 years, and if you want to transfer the service to that new computer, then you can do it before the 3 years, okay?
I see.
But if you continue to use this computer, you will be getting the lifetime technical support, and the lifespan of your computer will be expanded because you will be getting, your software will be updated every time automatically after every 3 months from the main server. Like you are connected with the main server. So which plan do you want to go?
It's pretty expensive, and this is an older computer, so I'm not sure. I don't think this is a workable thing for me.
Okay, I do understand this is all computer. I just can give you the discount for 1 year. It is $100. Can you come up with $100 for 1 year?
I don't. I guess I don't really see the imperative. You've told me this stuff, but I don't really believe it. So I don't see any value in what you're offering. Yeah, I see that file also on that web page that you brought up. It said that csrss file is a part of Windows. Now maybe that thing's infected or something like that, but you told me that if that file's there, that's something a hacker has put on there. Just if you see it, that's got to be true. And I don't think that's true.
Sir, it is true. Look, your csrss.exe.
Okay,
and when you search what is csrss,
I'm going to drive the mouse just for a moment here. I'm going to drive the mouse just for a moment on my computer, if that'd be all right.
Okay.
So I'm going to just go back to that.
Yes, sir.
I just want to go back to that web page that you were at.
Hold on.
Yeah, see, while you were reading it out loud to me, I noticed this here too. Other instances of csrss.exe, the client-server runtime subsystem in the Microsoft Windows operating system utilizes the process csrss for managing the majority of graphical instruction sets under the Microsoft operating system. So it looks like that there is a legitimate use for that file. In fact, from this description, it sounds like it's a really important thing, and probably is on every copy of Windows XP since it's doing so much work. And I guess it can be infected, and maybe it is. But if I have an infection, I've got the most benevolent infection on earth. It's not causing me any problems. It's not up to my network traffic. So if I have an infection that doesn't hurt me, I'm not sure I care about that. I know I don't care $100 about it. That's for sure.
But, sir, you know very well that this is a hacker file that will allow the hacker to hack your computer, right?
No, I don't. No, I disagree with that statement. That just that file being there doesn't mean it's a hacker file. It's part of Windows. Now maybe that part of Windows has gotten infected and is being used by hackers. but it's not a hacker file, period.
So this is a virus version because csrss.exe, it is not registered under your name. You know very well that. If it's from the Windows version, that csrss.exe will be definitely registered under the username check. But you can see it is completely independent. It is not registered either under your name or on, that is why. It get inside the computer through internet. Like here, this application, they all are registered under your name, and there are some applications that are registered not under your name. That means these all applications which are not registered under your name get inside the computer through internet, okay? And this csrss.exe, when you check it out, it is a hacker file. There is
I guess I don't believe you. You've said some things that aren't true, and your whole style is just to assert that this is true, and I don't think you have a lot of credibility.
Okay, sir. Okay, not an issue if you think that your computer is still protected.
For instance, are you a Microsoft employee?
Yes, sir. You know very well that Microsoft don't give directly call to the customer. They just sell the software. They don't give the services. We are a channel partner of the Microsoft, and we are a certified engineer.
See, that's another spot where you guys have not been truthful with me. I asked I asked Ben if he was employed by Microsoft, and he said he was, but he wasn't.
Yes, sir. We are employed by Microsoft because we are certified by the Microsoft.
That's different. I'm certified by my state to drive an automobile. That does not mean I am employed by the state.
Okay, sir. Okay. Not an issue if you think there is nothing problem in your computer. We are not forcing you to go for any services. Okay, we received the warning message. That is why we are calling you. If you don't want to go for any service, that's why it's issue. We are not convincing you. We are not forcing you. We are just
there's another lie right there. You didn't receive a warning message from my computer.
Sir, you have using the Windows computer, and you know every message that you have receive the updations to your computer is from the server. Likewise, you have one updation here.
Okay, go ahead. I'll tell you what. You've got remote control of my computer. Why don't you copy and paste that error log that you have received from my computer into like a text document here, so I can see that. I don't believe you're.
Sorry, sir?
I don't believe you know anything about my computer other than what you've been able to notice in these last few minutes.
Sir, I can't understand what you are saying.
I don't think you know anything about my computer other than what you've seen in the last few minutes. I don't believe that you're getting error messages from my computer, because the way that you've told me that that's true is an obvious lie.
Okay, sir. Not an issue. If you think this is lie, we are not forcing you to go for the services. Okay. Anyway, thank you so much for the time. We received a warning message. That is why we are calling you. We are not calling you randomly.
No, you did not. You're a liar, and you're a thief. You're an extortionist. And think about what your mother would think about if she knew what you were doing. Why don't you get an honest job?